Morning class. We are going to discuss today the transformer impedance ratio and shifting the impedance in the transformer from primary and secondary. As we people know that we have two windings in the transformer, and each winding may have their own resistances, impedances are subject to their sides, and these due to these there is a production of current in the both the windings. For the making the calculation easy, we can shift that impedance, that current or that resistance and reactance from one side to another. So this lecture is all about the shifting of impedances. First of all, we will discuss about impedance ratio. What is an impedance and how the impedance can be seen in a transformer in primary and as well as secondary. For understanding these, we have considered impedance Z2 in the secondary as subjected, and according to the Ohm's law, you can say that the Ohm's law Z2 is equal to V2 upon I2 as here, and if there is same in primary and we have impedance, let we have an impedance Z1 in the primary, then according to this Z1 should have the value of V1 upon I1 by the Ohm's law. Generally you have learned V is equal to IR. In case of electrical, we can also have V is equal to IZ. From here we can write the ratio of secondary impedance to the primary impedance. Means if I have to write Z2 upon Z1, then Z2 upon Z1 is equal to V2 upon V1 into I1 upon I2. What is V2 upon V1? This is transformer ratio whose value is K. What is I1 upon I2? It is also K. If I write the from the transformer ratio V2 upon V1 as K and I1 as upon I2 as K, then I can write that Z2 upon Z1 is equal to K square. Means if we have impedance ratio Z2 upon Z1 in equal to the square of the voltage transformer ratio. Similarly, if we term it as Z2 upon Z instead of using Z2 upon Z1, because in case of Ohm's law, that is Z2 upon Z and R2 are similar things when we talk about the Ohm's law. From here parallelly we can write it as R2 upon R1 is equal to K square, and where Z is equal to R plus Jx. People might note that what is Z? Z is equal to R plus Jx. If Z2 upon Z1 is equal to R2 upon R1, then similarly X2 upon X1 is equal to also is equal to K square, because it is the resistance, it is the reactance which is provided by the impedance in the primary as well as secondary circuits. Here you can see from different books that you can understand that V is equal to IR, V is equal to IX and V is equal to IZ. The means if you have to find out the value of current, you can write V upon X or V upon Z or V upon R. Here we have a transformer in which we have to shift the impedance. For example, if I am taking as this is our core of the transformer and we have a primary winding and a secondary winding. The primary winding having the resistance R1 and reactance X1. here इसको दोनों को मिला के क्या लिख सकते हैं Z1. Z1 अगर हमने लिखना हो यहाँ पर तो क्या बनेगा Z1 इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस JX1, और यहाँ से Z2 क्या हो जाएगा R2 प्लस JX2. तो इसको अलग अलग करके R2 और X2 लिखा है. From the transformer ratio K is equal to N2 upon 1, you can write it as V2 upon V1, you can write it as I1 upon I2, one and the same thing. जहाँ पे हमने ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेशो निकाली है उसमें हमें पता है कि ये तीनों एक ही चीज़ है. द रेजिस्टेंस एंड रिएक्टेंस, द रेजिस्टेंस रिएक्टेंस ऑफ द वन वाइंडिंग कैन बी ट्रांसफर टू द अदर टू मेक द एनालिसिस ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मर सिंपल. मतलब अगर हमने इसको ईजी बनाना है, सिंपल बनाना है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, अगर हम इन दोनों को मतलब इनको एक ही साइड लेके जाएं तो वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग और वी आर शिफ्टिंग द इम्पिडेंस फ्रॉम द वन साइड टू द अनदर. रेफर टू प्राइमरी. इफ आई शिफ्ट दिस टू द प्राइमरी, what should I do? When secondary resistance reactance is transferred to the primary called equivalent secondary resistance or reactance refer to primary and denoted by R2 dash and X2 dash। जो हमारे जैसे अगर ये R2 है, अगर ये इधर चला जाएगा तो ये क्या बन जाएगा R2 डैश, R2 डैश, हेयर इट इज R2 डैश। अगर ये जो X2 है ये इधर चला जाए तो ये क्या बन जाएगा X2 डैश, मतलब R2 डैश एंड X2 डैश एंड इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय के स्क्वायर। अब यहाँ से हमें पता है कि अगर हम इसको दूसरी तरफ लेके जाएंगे, अगर हमें इसको शिफ्ट करेंगे यहाँ से यहाँ तक, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, R2 को अगर इधर शिफ्ट करना है इट बिकम्स R2 अपॉन के स्क्वायर। हमें ट्रांसफॉर्म रेशियो से क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको डिवाइड। सिमिलरली अगर हमें x2 को यहाँ से यहाँ ले जाना पड़ेगा तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा x2 अपॉन के स्क्वायर। फ्रॉम हेयर अगर हमें प्राइमरी से सेकेंडरी में लेके जानी है चीज़ें, तो जो हमारा R1 है और X1 है उसको लेके गए हम सेकेंडरी में, तो R2 तो सेकेंडरी में R2 ही रहेगा, X2 तो X2 ही रहेगा। जब R1 यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाएगा तो इट बिकम्स के स्क्वायर, मीन्स जब ये यहाँ जाएगा, जब ये यहाँ जाएगा तो इट बिकम्स R2 अपॉन के स्क्वायर, एंड व्हेन इट R1 कम्स हियर देन इट बिकम्स R1 इंटू के स्क्वायर। सिमिलरली व्हेन this come here then it becomes x1 into k square. When primary resistance reactance is transferred to the secondary called equivalent primary resistance and reactance referred to the secondary and it is denoted by r1 dash and x1 dash and it is multiplied with k square. From here to understand this is very important topic. Actually this is small topic, but you will find the questions in the examination every time. We have a question that a 30 kVA 2400 to 120 volt 50 Hz transformer has a high voltage winding resistance of 0.1 ohm and a leakage reactance of 0.22 ohm. The low voltage winding resistance is 0.035 ohm and leakage reactance is 0.012 ohm. Find the equivalent winding resistance, reactance and impedance refer to the high voltage side and low voltage side. Means what is high voltage side? If I am talking about high voltage side, ये क्या पूछ रहा है, ये पूछ रहा है आपसे what is referred to high voltage side, mean it is referred to primary, and referred to low voltage side mean it is referred to secondary. अगर यहाँ से देखेंगे तो हाई वोल्टेज साइड कौन सी है, प्राइमरी, और लो वोल्टेज साइड कौन सी है, सेकेंडरी। तो यहाँ से आपका क्या है, ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेटिंग इज एज गिवन एज 30 kVA, V1 is given as 2400, V2 is given as 120 volt and R1 is given as 0.1 ohm and X1 is given as 0.22 ohms. R2 is equal to 0.035 ohm and X2 is equal to 0.01 ohm. We have to find out R01 मतलब resistance refer to primary, X01 refer to prime, X1 reactance refer to primary, impedance refer to primary, resistance refer to secondary, reactance refer to secondary and impedance refer to secondary. We know that, आपको पता है, इसके लिए सबसे पहले किसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेशो की। तो व्हाट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेशो, दैट इज V2 अपॉन V1, V2 upon V1. What is V2? 120. What is V1? 120. We will find the value of K, that is 0.05. Very simple. What is R01? It is the equivalent resistance of the primary side. Agar this is equivalent resistance of the primary side. Equivalent, when I talking about equivalent, means it contains its own resistance plus the resistance come from the secondary side. What is the resistance come from the secondary side? That is R2 dash, means this is the secondary resistance referred to the primary. What is R2 dash? It is secondary resistance referred to the primary. अगर जो secondary resistance है वो primary में आ गया है तो what is the secondary resistance? That is 0.035 and it is referred to primary, then it becomes 0.035 upon K square. What is the value of K? 0.05. And what is R1? You can write here R1 plus R2 upon K. It is very simple, that is 0.1 plus 0.035 upon 0.05 square is equal to 14.1 ohms. What will the value of R01? 14.1 ohm. Similarly, what is the value of x01? You can have the value of x01 from here. It is simple that x01 is nothing, it is x1 plus x2 dash. What is x2 dash? It is the secondary resistance secondary reactance referred to the primary. If secondary is referred to primary, you will find that x2 upon k का square. What is the value of k? 0.05. What is the value of x2? 0.12. And what is the value of x1? That is given. You will find the value, it is equal to 5.02 ohms. Simply, if you find the value of r and x, you will have the value of z. What is z is equal to r square plus x square. Another referred value from secondary of resistance and reactance. आपने दोनों वैल्यू भी निकाल ली. You will find the value of z01. Similarly, you have R2, R02. R20 is equivalent secondary resistance. What is equivalent secondary resistance? That is R2 plus R1 dash. What is R2 as given in this? What is R1 dash? If it is R1 dash is the primary resistance referred to secondary, then primary resistance referred to secondary, it becomes R1 into K square. When secondary is referred to primary, it is multiplied by divided by k square, and if it is referred to secondary, then it is multiplied by k square. You have the value of k, you have find 0.05, already find the value of k, into r1 plus r2 is equal to 0.035 plus 0.05 k square into 0.1. You will find the value 0.03525 ohms. Similarly, you will find the value of x02 and z02 as found in the previous slides. Please note this question. Please note the question. We have a next question that a 50 kVA 4400 to 220 volt transformer has resistance of 3.45 ohms and resistance of secondary, that is 0.009 ohm. The value of reactance x1 is given as 5.2 ohm and x2 is 0.015 ohm. Calculate for the transformer equivalent resistance as referred to primary. Equivalent resistance as referred to primary. Number 2, equivalent resistance as referred to secondary. Means you have to find the value of R2 dash and R1 dash. Equivalent reactance as referred to both primary and secondary. Okay. Equivalent impedance are referred to both primary and secondary, and total copper losses, first using individual resistance of two winding and secondly using equivalent resistance as referred to each side. तो आपको ये चीज़ें निकालनी है. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस कुड बी डन. ट्रांसफॉर्मर रेटिंग एज गिवन इन द 50 kVA 400, ये अपनी सारी वैल्यू दे रखी हैं. अब हमें सबसे पहले फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, के की वैल्यू, दैट इज V2 अपॉन V1. वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू 0.05. वट इज I1, दैट इज VA अपॉन V1. वट इज VA, दैट इज 50 kVA. 50 kVA. kVA means it contains voltage as well as amperes. kVA, तो यहाँ से हम अगर V कर देंगे तो बचेगा क्या हमारे पास, करंट. You will find the value, that is 50 kVA upon 440. What is primary voltage? That is 4400. You will find the value of I1. Similarly, you will find the value of I2. That is 50 VA into 220. It is 227 amps. What is equivalent resistance referred to primary? That is R1 plus R2 dash. What is R1 as given? What is R2 as given? You have find the value of k square, and you have the value of R01 here. Similarly, what is x01? That is x1 into x2 dash is equal to x1 plus x2 upon k square. Because it is referred to primary, you will find the value. Similarly, in like previous question, what is z01? That is r01 square plus x01 square is equal to this. In case of secondary, we have formula what is R02 R2 plus R1 dash, and if I am talking about R1 dash, this is primary referred to secondary, you have to multiply it by k square. In earlier you have to divide it by k square, then you will find the value of this. Values are given. अब डिफरेंस जो क्वेश्चन में है वो यहाँ आता है, बाकी तो सेम क्वेश्चन है पिछले की तरह. टोटल कॉपर लॉसेस. व्हाट इज टोटल कॉपर लॉसेस? when there is only not equivalent resistance, there is only given resistance. अगर इसके बारे में बात करें तो प्राइमरी का कॉपर लॉस और सेकेंडरी का कॉपर लॉस जो रेफर्ड रेजिस्टेंस से पहले का था, मतलब सिर्फ R1 के साथ और सिर्फ R2 के साथ. तो R1 R2 की वैल्यू आपको पता ही है, तो I1 स्क्वायर इंटू R1 प्लस I2 स्क्वायर इंटू R2, दिस इज द कॉपर लॉस. कॉपर लॉस क्या होता है? आई स्क्वायर आर. ये प्राइमरी का कॉपर लॉस, ये सेकेंडरी का कॉपर लॉस, दोनों को ऐड कर दिया तो टोटल कॉपर लॉस. आल्सो कॉपर लॉस आफ्टर द, जब आपको शिफ्ट कर दिया है इधर उधर, तो जब शिफ्ट कर दिया है तो इसका वैल्यू कितना है? शिफ्ट कर दिया मतलब रेजिस्टेंस को सेकेंडरी का भी प्राइमरी को कर दिया है, तो इसमें क्या है? I1 का स्क्वायर इंटू R01, इट इज़ वैल्यू हैविंग. एंड अगर हमने प्राइमरी का सेकेंडरी को कर दिया है तो उसकी वैल्यू कितनी? अब यू विल फाइंड दैट टोटल कॉपर लॉस जो होंगे वो जब हमने अकेले अकेले वाइंडिंग में निकाला तो उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, उतनी ही वैल्यू जब रेफर करके आप इस साइड को आ रहे हैं उतनी ही वैल्यू है. इसका मतलब वी आर डूइंग इट एज राइट. तो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर द टुडे लेक्चर एंड आई एम कंपाइलिंग हेयर. थैंक यू क्लास.